Firefly, we love you, but we have a bone to pick with you.
One episode intro says, after the Earth was used up, we found a new solar system and hundreds of new Earths were terraformed and colonized.
But another says, Earth got used up, so we terraformed a whole new galaxy of Earths.
Well, which is it? Did you go to a new galaxy or a new system?
And what's the difference?
This is Space Lady Zoe.
And this is AstroKirsten.
And we're going to fix what sci-fi got wrong.
Let's go back a little.
Before modern astronomy, people only knew of the sun, moon, planets, and stars.
The first known suggestion that the sun itself was a star was in 450 BCE, which led to the question of whether other stars have planets too.
And just 100 years ago, we discovered that some things we thought were clouds of dust were actually massive collections of stars that existed completely separate and incredibly far away from all the stars we see in our galaxy.
So we've gone from thinking that the whole universe was just the solar system, to the sun being one of billions of stars, to the Milky Way galaxy being one among billions.
Despite our current understanding of this hierarchy, sci-fi still confuses the terms system and galaxy.
So let's clear up the confusion.
A planetary system is one or more planets orbiting a star, or a multi-star system like Tatooine from Star Wars. Size-wise, it takes light a few hours to travel across the solar system.
A galaxy is much bigger. It's a collection of billions of stars, many hosting their own planetary systems. Galaxies also contain gas and dust. Size-wise, it takes light 100,000 years to travel across the Milky Way galaxy.
So which intro to Firefly is correct? Well, neither.
We've barely left the solar system, and even with light speed travel, it would take millions of years to get to a new galaxy. Not to mention, it's completely unnecessary just to find some new planets.
But a single planetary system could not have hundreds of Earth-like planets. You just couldn't fit that many planets into a narrow, habitable zone of a system. The just right area where the distance from the host star results in the ideal temperature for life.
Also, we have yet to find a system with more planets than ours, of which Earth is the only one that is habitable for humans.
The most realistic explanation is that the humans in Firefly have traveled to multiple planetary systems in our small region of the galaxy. In some of those systems, they found one, maybe two Earth-like planets and have now settled on hundreds of these after exploring probably thousands of systems.
The moral of the story? Get actual astronomers to consult on your sci-fi shows.
Or face the wrath of space nerds.
This has been Space Lady Zoe
and AstroKirsten. Thanks for watching.